Hey, and we're back again. So, what I've done is I put on some, I don't always, but I thought this time I will put on some gloves. I've got some Q-tips, toothpicks. And what I'm going to do to begin with is just pick up some of these larger bits. See, you can just, this is the perished rubber. As you can see, it's just smeary. So I just want to get as much of the big chunks out, because it'll make the cleaning much easier. I'm just going to grab a couple more and come. Okay, so here's the record with the needle built in. We'll put that up. Just that's the little plastic bit there, and then we'll take out. That's oh, interesting. We've got the spring and the disc and the string. That all comes out as well, and I'll show you that in a while. This is a bit of wire that was used to jerry rig the arm and try and fix it rather badly. But that's trash and shouldn't be there. Bye-bye now. And I'm having a look. I'm not seeing sort of big blobs of the rubber here, so I'll move this out the way, but here it's like, whoop, and he just wants to fall off. And just okay, this seems fairly clean. I think it's still just a little wet from when I was removing the legs. So put that up to there. We've got a washer. Sometimes there's one washer, sometimes there's two washers, but we want to keep hold. Oh, I have two washers. There's the other washer. So I want to keep hold of the washers. Just gonna move that away, and the string. Yeah, we'll come to that. And then take the spring. Ugh. See, it's just mess everywhere. I'm just going to wipe off some of this excess. But I'm just looking through here and I can see there's quite a bit of the band that's, and actually I'm just going to snip that string off because we don't need it. And it's getting in the way. I'm just going to come back and get more. And what's left is just sort of, you know, the traces of it, and we'll just have to clean. But that's so far. It's very messy. It's a very messy job. Once in a blue moon I come across one and the rubber's just really dry and it doesn't really smear like this, but majority of the time you're working with smeary rubber. So I maybe should have done this outside, but somebody recommended. I'm gonna try. Actually, I'm gonna try. Somebody recommended to me household ammonia for cleaning. And I think they're actually onto something, because I find with the I know I'm doing this out of view. Yeah, I'm going to go into the garden actually and just do this, I think. 'Cause this is very smelly. Yeah, it's like, all takes me back to doing hair. It's because, you know, the ammonia. But we're going to use, you can either use rubbing alcohol, so 70%, it's just, yeah, 70% rubbing alcohol to remove, and just sort of like using Q-tips and keep dipping them, changing them. But let's take this stuff down to the garden, because I think I want to do this in an area that's got a little better ventilation.